In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could factory reset an HP laptop without needing the password and without signing in. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, assuming that you are on the lock screen right now, which you can get to by just hitting shift and restart, you're going to want to hit the power icon and hold down the left shift key. And while holding down shift, go ahead and hit restart and just keep holding shift until the laptop fully restarts. And this is going to boot your laptop into Windows recovery mode, which is just a blue screen with a bunch of options. And I apologize, this is super hard to demonstrate while currently screen recording, but essentially use F11 at startup if shift doesn't work. And as soon as you're in recovery mode, go ahead and hit troubleshoot and then hit reset this PC. You're going to see two different options: keep my files and remove everything. If you want a complete factory reset, select remove everything and then choose either something like cloud download or local reinstall. I usually recommend doing local reinstall because it's usually a lot faster and doesn't require any downloading. If you have BitLocker enabled, you may be asked for a recovery key, so just keep that in mind. If you do get that on another device, you do need to go to the Microsoft BitLocker recovery page, sign into your Microsoft account, retrieve the recovery key and enter it in. And then you're going to see options for just remove files or fully clean the drive. I recommend doing fully clean the drive. But as soon as you go ahead and do that, make sure the laptop's plugged in, hit reset, and you're good to go. It's going to begin that factory reset process, which can take some time, so just keep that in mind. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them that in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.